picture of this.
I'm videoing right now. I got video.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, this is. Oh man, this is funny. Oh, oh,
Whoa,
ow,
whoa,
oh, oh, this is
whoa,
awesome.
Whoa!
Oh, oh. Man, I feel like I'm in Disneyland right now.
Oh, this is so weird. This is not in game anywhere else in the game. There's no tunnels in this game. On this map, are there?
Man. Not like this, Brushland. I have never seen a you know, this must be where they come out and they work on stuff.
Maybe.
I would think. You know, they're working on doing the tunnels in the game.
Whoa! Whoa!
Let's try it out. We can play with it.
Can we get out? Up there.
Yeah, we're coming to the end.
Yeah, I know, but it looks like it's about half closed. What? You're floating. You're floating in the sky. You're floating. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, you're in front of me now. Okay. Whoa!
There's a hanging rock here. Oh! Ooh, I just.
Yeah, you got kicked off. I see you.
I don't. Yeah, you gotta go.
What is that in front of us, David? That's water. That's water. You want to put up a tent?
It is.
Oh, put up a tent. Put up a
hilarious.
tent. Put up a tent in here, David. You gotta put a tent in here. Are you driving?
I'm backing up a little bit.
Whoa.
And you're tearing up your thing.
Oh, your ATV just jumped in the water.
It sure did, didn't it?
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
Can you put a tent up in here?
I'm trying.
No, no. It was not. It was.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I see. I got you running in place.
Oh, it didn't put it up. It didn't put it up. In other words, I can click. I can find a white spot and click, but.
Maybe you got to move around, or maybe outside of the tunnel.
Yeah, it's not putting it up there.
Okay, well let's drive some more, and we can, if we get out of the tunnel.
Yeah, but where are we gonna drive to? We can't go through the water.
Well, I don't know. Can we? Or can we not? Did you try going through?
No, not yet. Let's see.
I bet you it's gonna crash the ATVs. The ATV seems to crash in water all the time. You hit a bump and it's gonna. Oh, this is like we're riding in a sewer, Dave.
Oh, this is awesome, Kyle.
Oh. Hey, if we get underwater, where's it going to kick us to? Whoa! Whoa! Oh. Where the hell are we?
We return to a safe location.
Oh, we're up on top of the mountain is where we are. You want to try to put a tent here just to see? We're on top of where we were.
Oh, that's funny.
We're on top of where we were.
Oh, that's funny. Let me put up a tent. Hold on.
See if you can. See if you can. That would be awesome if you could put up a tent. Oh man! Let me go buy a tent. Let me buy a tent so
all right.
Just in case they get lost. I don't want you losing a ton of money. Buy a tent. Store. Tent. Camo tent. Purchase. Buy. That's my second tent today. Back. I'll leave that other one back there. Oh, come on. And I will.
You're right. We're on top of the tunnel. That was so cool.
I gotta turn my light off.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Let me go ahead and take it off. Let me turn it off till we get. Here we go. Let me get over there. Yeah. Okay. You've got to. Oh man, I'm glad I started another recording. You have no. Before we saw ATV without you on it. Now I've got you crouched and no ATV. Your hands are moving back and forth like you're doing some freaky dance. Now do me a favor, move backwards. Move backwards. Oh God, move backwards. Are you moving? Oh, you're.
Yeah, I'm going.
Oh, I see what it is. Okay, you're on your ATV, but your character is stuck right here beside me. What I want you to do is go over there close to the tent
Oh,
where
okay.
my ATV was, and I bet you. Well, let me ask you this: Can you see? Oh, you're gonna die laughing at this. You're gonna die. Oh man, when I get this video up, you're gonna die laughing. You're shaking like a leaf on a tree, and I'm crouched in between your legs. Oh, come here for a second. Can you see my ATV? Or can you see me?
I can see. I see you. You're dead ahead of me.
I'm crouched on the ground, right?
I can't see that far.
This is too funny.
Where are you?
Oh, this is too funny. Come here. Oh, can you put something in your hand? Put a gun in your hand if you can. No.
I don't think I can.
Because you'd have to get off your
can.
ATV. That's right.
Yeah, I gotta get off the ATV.
Oh man, I'm sorry. This is just gonna be too funny when you finally see it. It's gonna be just. Oh, it's like you're steering your thing left and right. Okay. And now you're punching me in the balls. Okay, you see me, yes? You see me walking around here?
Yeah, I see you walking.
Okay,
You're
now
fine.
what I'm
Yeah,
going to do is
you're
this. Hold on.
Good. All right.
You see me?
Yes, I see you. You're on your ATV.
Oh, you see me on the ATV. See, I don't see you on the ATV.
Oh, okay.
See, I see. So get off of your ATV and see. I want to see what happens.
Oh!
Yeah,
Get
you
back
jumped
here, get
back
back here.
on your ATV and then yeah, okay.
All right.
Now,
So if I get on it now.
Okay, yeah, see, I can't. Your character just dropped where it is, and he's doing that crouching thing again. You see me on my
really?
ATV?
Yeah, I see you on your ATV.
Okay,
yeah,
that's
everything's
just
normal
that.
for me. Everything's
Okay.
normal for me.
Okay, I got the thing going. So you wanna?
All right, you ready? All
Yep.
right, you want me to go first, or you want?
No, we'll go
you
together.
Want both go together. All right,
Yep.
you ready?
Yep.
You ready? Here we go.
What? You say 3, 2, 1, then we'll go.
Oh,
Hey!
too late!
Ah! Okay, I'm coming. Wow! Whoa! Hey, we can keep going over and over again. Oh no, mine died just in burning flames over here.
I don't know where I'm at. It says I'm returning.
Oh,
boy.
you're right behind me. You just shot me. I'm gonna push mine over the edge because it's on fire.
Oh, I got the bear in the box. Oh, it's screwed up. Oh, it's screwed up.
Okay, drive a little bit because this is gonna be. This is. Oh. You're not on your ATV. You're driving around. Whoa! Now your ATV is catching up to you. Your ATV's. Oh man. Now you're riding on the very back of your ATV. Okay, now you're on. Oh man, it's just. Oh man, that's just messed up. Okay, let me get on mine here and see what goes on.
All right.
Well, you of it.
All right. You tell me where I'm at. Will I hit the water or will I hit you?
You want to
straight off the
go.
cliff.
Let me see. Let me look. You want to go like northwest. Whatever you do, northwest. If you drive as fast as you can northwest, you're gonna.
All right. Are you ready?
Like, yeah.
Here we go. Here I go. Northwest. Here I go. Off the cliff. Whoa! Oh my lord! Oh jeez! I'm just flying. I'm flying. I'm flying.
I have to use my. I had to use my binoculars to see you.
Oh, I'm back up on top of the cliff again.
We might have to hike a little bit up here. Yeah, down low, but just be real careful. Whoa!
Oh, I just
whoa!
fell off
Whoa!
my ATV.
Whoa! Yeah. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh my goodness, David, you're upside down. Oh man, don't move, don't move, don't move. Let me get up to you. Oh, this is too funny. You're horizontal. Hold on. Oh, please tell me I'm filming this. Hold on. I'll just film it. I did it again. Okay. Your feet are here. Your head is here. Oh, hold on. Hey, Dave.
Do you think?
Oh, I'm looking through your head. My head is inside your head. Oh, I can see the inside of your skull. Oh, this is too much. Oh, no, nothing in here.
No.
Looking at your hair. Oh, man. Hey, you know what? Under your cap, you've got no hair. Oh, man, this is too funny. Oh, man, this is gonna hurt. Oh, okay. Just like what? Well, if I can see under your cap, I wonder.
Let's see what the funny.
I'm looking up your butt. Okay. Okay, now I want you to walk.
The funny thing is actually you are 12 meters away from it.
Really? So you're still over there on your ATV?
I'm standing next to the ATV.
Get on your ATV. Okay, get off of your ATV. Okay. Now you're back. Yeah, now you're back over here. Okay. Oh, that was just too funny. You were horizontal. just hovering in front of me. Now now you're sitting there again, just jerking your hands back and forth, and your ATV's riding along without you. Oh, you're gonna get a kick out of this. I'm gonna have to. I gotta. I'm recording it. I'm recording it. Oh no! Oh no! I'm not dead. I didn't die. I recorded it halfway down. I'm 750 yards. Oh man, I shot so far off of that mountain. Oh, my ATV's right over there. My ATV's. Now I am pretty sure I am not going to be able to drive up that mountain.
No, I got a tent. I put a tent at the top. No, if you come up here, I'm gonna head off and do a
Okay. Let me get over there close to you. Hold on. Let me creep up on you here, and then I'll do it. Oh! Okay.
Oh.
No, that didn't shoot you down the hill. It just pushed you.
And I can actually come back up. That's the funny thing about it.
Oh, I'm on top of you. Where are you at?
Oh, I am falling down. I'm falling. I'm dead. I'm gone. I'm back somewhere. I don't know where I'm at.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that hurt. No, that hurt. No, I'm still alive. I'm still. No, I'm going to cross there like. There you go. Oh, man, that's beautiful, isn't it? That is awesome.
Isn't that something? Isn't that incredible?
Just moving my ATV here. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Come on, Dave. Let's do it. We can do it.
Yeah. You think we can get down there?
I can do it. Yes! Oh, I'm still on the ATV.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Try to keep it straight, and it'll be okay. If you get it sideways,
you knocked my thing like way back here. I gotta go like 30 miles.
Oh man, that is. Oh man. Oh, this is awesome. Oh no! Ah! Okay, I got hung up on a cliff here, so I'm still alive halfway down. My
where
ATV
are
is
you?
still going. It's 100 yards away. Oh man. Hold on, let me.
Uh-oh. Hit the space key if you're not sure.
I see where you're at. Oh, just drive it. Oh,
Oh, man.
what is that? Oh, it's a bird. Okay.
It's a bird.
Well, it's a bird just sitting there, so it's kind of flashing. It looks like a, I don't know, a giant arrow stuck in the. I see your name, but you're hiding behind some rocks over there. I'm off of my scooter. My scooter is way down at the bottom of the mountain, but I got caught on a ledge. I see you.
My way down to
You're coming backwards. Whoa! Whoa!
I'm working my way. I'm working my way. I'm working my way back to you, babe, with a burning love inside.
Can you drive over here to where I'm at? Can you see me? You are vertical, man. You are. Oh man, I've got my binoculars on you. You're just vertical, stuck in the rocks. You are vertical. I can't believe it. You're not falling down. See, you're past me now. I gotta run up to the edge and catch up with you.
Basically, the whole secret to this is I'm going down the mountain and I'm just pressing on the space bar constantly.
Yeah. The other thing is you just can't go sideways. You go sideways and that's when you flip. That's when you flip.
Where are you at?
I'm Oh, I'm dead. Oh, there's your ATV.
Okay, all right. Now follow me, and this is the way I went. Now, if you hold down the space bar. All right. There we go. But the thing is I'm in first-person view. How do I get out of first-person view? C. Oh, okay. C. All right. Here. Okay. Now, use your space bar, and it'll
Whoa!
Turn you around.
Oh, okay.
It'll turn you around, but it will let you fall back.
Whoa! I'm catching up to you.
So if you go down back, and actually, I think I went down the other side. I don't think I went down this side.
I like that little cliff down. I mean, the little grassland down there. You're right. It's like something from the Lord of the Rings there. Whoa! As soon as you get turned. What was that? What was that? What was that? Something hit my ATV. Went ping. Did you get killed?
Same here. I'm dead. I'm back
dead?
at the top.
Okay,
Yeah.
I've got my space bar down, but I'm still
It's
rolling backwards.
Like I was working my way down the mountain, right? And then it's like I hit something. And it went bank.
Yeah, well that's what I heard. I thought something hit mine. I'm waiting for you here on the side of the mountain, by the way. I guess if I do that C. Okay, yeah, if I do C, oh, that's awesome. When you're going backwards, if you want to look look forward, do that first person view again. See, I can see you coming towards me now.
I'm working my way down. I'm working my way down. It's like I have no control. I'm just hitting the space bar.
Yeah, I'm off to your left. which would be your right if you're looking straight down on yourself.
It's still going down. Yeah, I see you. I got you in my sight. But I'm coming down the mountain right now. I'm
Yep.
holding down the space bar which is the brake, right?
Yep.
And I'm.
You're going down.
Like
You're going down.
driving.
You're going down a steep little area over there.
Oh, and
no!
it knocked me off again. Oh, come on.
I saw it.
Come on.
I
That's
saw
not
you
right.
pop off of it.
Oh, why did you do that?
Whoa! Oh, I almost got kicked off. Hold on, let me. Yeah. I'm just taking it, dude. I'm surfing. I'm making it. Oh, this is awesome. You've got to try it out here. I'm not falling at all. I'm driving it. I'm driving it, dude. You just gotta follow this like glacier path. I'm driving it. I'm not falling.
I am. I'm right behind you.
Okay.
Right behind you.
Oh, I think we're going to get to the falling point right here. Oh. Oh, no.
No.
Oh, I gotta keep this thing straight. Oh, I gotta stop. Oh, I'm gonna get turned around. Okay. Now backwards. Backwards. Whoa. Oh, I gotta stop or I'm gonna die. Oh, I can't stop. I can't stop. Okay, I'm stopped. Where are you at? You coming?
I'm coming. I'm working my way.
It's raining.
Oh, come on. It's raining.
I'm stuck in a rock.
Are you?
Yeah. Well, I'm not on a rock. I'm in the rock. I'm just waiting for you.
My way towards
Yeah, you're getting close.
I'm starting to smoke now, so I have no idea what that means.
I hear you.
No!
Oh man! Oh, you're sideways. I'm trying to stop. I can't stop. Thank you for stopping me. Oh no! 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 Oh! Okay. Oh no! No! I've got the brakes on. Oh!
I saw you for just a split second. I saw you. Oh!
Don't fall off! Don't fall off!
Oh! Help! Stop!
Are you
Okay,
falling?
I stopped.
Okay, you still on?
I'm still on, but not by much.
Oh no! I'm getting turned around. That's my problem right here. I'm literally crawling sideways. Oh no, this is where I'm gonna...
Whatever you do, stay on your ATV. Do not get off.
Yeah, I know. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh!
Oh, you're way down the hill.
Yep. I just see your head. Oh, there you are. Okay, there you are. Okay, let me pause that here.